All right, I'm super excited about this Instant Pot that I just bought. I really have wanted this actually for a while, and it's a good price. And I'm gonna open this baby up, see what you get when you order it. You can see the box right here. So here's what I liked about it. I like the fact that you've got a bunch of different options. If we get careful with this. You've got a bunch of different options when it comes to cooking. I think it's like a 7-in-1. So you have like 7 different cooking options. This is what it looks like. Which is awesome. So if I'm gonna have something taking up counter space or something taking up cabinet space in my kitchen, I want options. So you have cook, you have slow cook, you have saute, you have steam, you have cooking rice. You can even make yogurt with this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. That's the most exciting part for me. My son eats so much yogurt all the time. You can make yogurt with this. You can keep all your stuff warm, all the different things. And it's one device, one Instant Pot, which is awesome. And also I was reading that it cooks food faster than other slow cooking methods out there. They say up to like, I think 70% faster, which is awesome. Okay, so this is the lid. I'll take it off and show you. I'm super stoked about this. Look at this thing. All the different options, everything's in here. Everything that you need is right here and ready to go. And it comes with that manual. There's a little manual there so you can have all the directions. It can tell you exactly what you need. You just plug this baby in, program it however you want. See, pressure cook, saute, rice, slow cook, steam, yogurt. Super excited about this. All right, I'm gonna get to using it and check back in with you guys after a bit, but I can't wait. I'm happy I bought this.